To remove contacts from Facebook Messenger. So if you want to remove some contacts of your list from Messenger, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So right now I have already opened up Messenger and I have logged into my account. You also have to log into account. So there is no feature for directly removing the person from Facebook Messenger, but there are certain settings. So for that, you just have to tap on the person's chat whom you want to remove, and at the right upper corner there is I option. Simply tap over there and you just have to see at the bottom where there is restrict and block option. So these are the two options which will help you to remove contacts from your messenger. So if you tap over the restrict, the person that will be disappeared from your chat list, and also the persons won't be able to know whether you are online or whether you have seen their message. And if you tap over the block, the person will be able to know that you have blocked them. They won't be able to send you message and call. But if you tap over the restrict, the person won't be able to know that you have restricted them, and also they won't be able to know that you're online and other things. So by following these two steps, you can remove someone or contacts of your messenger. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.